Shockingly, recent by-elections in Zimbabwe have been marked by a stark phenomenon: low voter turnout. This trend has been particularly visible in key constituencies such as Mount Pleasant and Harare East, where the percentage poll was a mere 11.6 and 15.2% respectively. In a vibrant democracy, such figures are cause for concern. They suggest a deep-seated apathy among citizens, a worrying indifference to the processes that shape the destiny of the nation. But what could be the reasons behind this low voter turnout? Firstly, a key factor could be the general skepticism towards the electoral process. Many Zimbabweans have expressed concerns about rigging and lack of trust in the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission. This skepticism, coupled with instances of violence leading up to the polls and accusations of intimidation against opposition supporters, can significantly dampen the enthusiasm to vote. Secondly, the economic challenges faced by the country could also factor into this trend. High inflation, a struggling currency, and widespread unemployment can lead to disillusionment. With many citizens struggling to make ends meet, the prospect of voting might seem like a lower priority. Moreover, the lack of resources and government funding for opposition parties, as well as their organizational weaknesses, might discourage supporters from turning out to vote. The ruling party's advantage and the odds stacked against the opposition can foster a sense of hopelessness about the possibility of change. Now, the implications of this low voter turnout on the election results are profound. With fewer people casting their votes, the validity and representativeness of the election results can be called into question. The voice of the people, in its full strength and diversity, is not being heard. To summarize, the low voter turnout in the recent by-elections is a symptom of deeper issues: disillusionment with the electoral process, economic hardships, and a perceived imbalance of power between the ruling party and the opposition. This trend has serious implications on the election results, potentially undermining their legitimacy and the democratic process at large. The significance of this issue cannot be overstated. It is a call for introspection and action for all stakeholders involved. It points to the need for building trust in the electoral process, addressing economic challenges, and ensuring a level playing field for all political parties. Only then can the true voice of the Zimbabwean people be heard, paving the way for a robust and vibrant democracy.